in it, baby. You sitting here with a celebrity, you ain't saying that.
Working. I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know. Is it worth it? Let me work. I put my thing down, step it in reverse. It's your. When I first saw you, I already knew there was something inside of you, something I thought that I would never find. Angel of mine. Welcome back to my channel. So it is your girl Choony K. If this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. And if you're a returning K-bird, then thank you for coming back to my channel. So let's get into this blue wig. I look like Miss Smurf up in here, up in here, up in here, up in here. Yeah. But let's get into this blue wig. So I personally do not like short wigs because I feel my face is round, but I like this wig. This wig is really pretty. I like the color. I think it's mainly the color that stands out why I like it so much. Other than that, I do not like short wigs, but this wig is pretty. So this wig is from Bobbi Boss. It is their premium synthetic lace front Swiss lace wig. It is in the style MLF-339 Evonie. Color is aqua. So you are going to get lace along the perimeter of the front as well as in the parting space, and then the parting space is going to be 5 inches. It does say that this is heat safe, but it does not have how many degrees it is. So to begin with, you do have 2 combs in the front on the perimeters of the hair, and then you have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So for this wig, it is big head friendly, and like I said, the wig does have 5 inches of parting space. So you do get a lot of parting space. I did just apply some concealer in the parting space and a bit of powder. I did not plug the parting space at all. So once you do that, it does look good. You do not have to plug the parting space if you do not want to. Basically all you have to do with this wig is just cut off the lace. It is a short unit, so I'm not getting any shading. I'm not going to get any tangling. Usually short wigs are like a low maintenance wig. So really this video is like gonna be super quick because there's really nothing to do except for cut off the lace, and basically you are go once you know kind of concealed your parting area. So for this wig, I love how the style is. It's really just a basic finger wave wig, but I really am in love with the like color. I think it is. Usually on finger wave wigs you can like do a lot of like styling, like you can kind of mix it up with the finger waves. They do kind of like go any kind of way if you want to do that. So it really, you just have to play with the wig to see what you like best when wearing a finger wave wig. of it. I will put a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I will see you in my next video.